Okay, so in this video, we're going to be answering the question, what happens if the policy owner dies before the insured on a life insurance policy? Okay, so first things first, there's 4 separate parties in every insurance policy: the carrier, the insured, the beneficiary, and the policy owner. And these can all be completely separate people. So down to business, if the policy owner does die before the insured, action must be taken as soon as possible. You cannot delay on these things, and there's multiple reasons for that. Absolute worst case scenario, technically, the policy lapses because the premium payment didn't get paid by the policy owner who is now deceased, and the policy goes out of effect. You call the life insurance carrier, inform them of the passing of the insured. Let's say they both pass away, and they don't pay out because the policy is not in effect anymore because the policy owner died and the premiums haven't been paid since the passing. Terrible. So to combat this, you're going to take 3 very easy steps. Locate the policy, contact the carrier, inform them of the policy owner's death. So step 1, locating the life insurance policy. The policy is likely somewhere in the house of the policy owner. That is the most likely place where it is. It's actually true that millions of dollars goes unclaimed every year because the beneficiaries don't know where the policy is or who the carrier was that the policy owner got the life insurance policy under. So it's important to be well informed on these things with the members of your family. Call somebody close to them who would know the answer to that question. If they have a spouse, definitely ask them. They should know. Otherwise, you're really just going to have to rummage. Step 2 is contacting the carrier. This is going to be by far the easiest step. You're just going to call, Google the number of the carrier. So let's say, for example, you have an Americo policy with the now deceased policy owner. You would call Americo. You would inform them, hey, this person is now deceased. They own the policy. I am on the policy. You have to be involved in the policy to make this happen. You either have to have power of attorney over the person or be involved in the policy in one way, shape, or form to transfer ownership of the policy. So you call them, you say, hey, this person is now deceased and I'd like to transfer the policy into X person's name. All you're going to do is tell them that the policy owner is now deceased, and they're going to walk you through the next steps. It's very, very simple. Again, it is imperative to do this as quickly as possible because you do not know, especially as the beneficiary or the insured, if the policy owner didn't inform you, you don't know when the payment is due for the life insurance policy. If the policy lapses, it's out of effect. You have to get this done as soon as possible. If the policy does end up going out of force, the policy is going to have to be brought back current, which means premium payments in the past that have been missed have to be paid up to get the payment of the death benefit if the insured passes away. That's why it's so imperative to do these things quickly. So again, that's it for today's video. If you or anybody you know is interested in term life, whole life, universal life, or annuities, go to honorsinsurance.com and fill out the form.